Right in the heart of Calgary, there is a park where city life meets pure serenity. Welcome to the Riley Park, one of the city's most loved green spaces, where every corner has a story to tell. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time or you're just seeing me for the first time, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that is based in Calgary, Canada. In my channel, I often make personal vlogs about places and life in the city of Calgary, the province of Alberta, and in Canada at large. If you would like to be seeing more videos like this in the future, you may consider subscribing to my channel, and as you do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make subsequent videos like this and many others, you'll be notified. Also, remember to like, share, comment, and engage with this video. This park happens to be one of the most iconic parks in Calgary. It is located in the Kensington shopping district near the South Alberta Institute of Technology here in Calgary. So this park is known to be donated by Ezra Riley in year 1910. It is popular for taking wedding shots. So if you are planning to have a wedding very soon in Calgary, you may consider to take your wedding shot. In fact, as I go into the park now, you will see some people who just completed their weddings and they are having their wedding shots. This park is very easy to locate. It has easy access to public transport and has many street parkings around the park. During the summer, the park hosts various community services such as outdoor concerts, movies, and theater performances. If you are in Calgary and you have not visited this park, maybe you will consider to visit this park because it's a very beautiful place for families, especially for children. Children can play around. There are children playground. There is a lot of gardens, pool, where you can have fun. And if you are coming as a tourist, maybe in the next summer, you may consider coming to Calgary. You can also visit this park. Then there are many fun events for you in this park. You will have a lot of fun. I can assure you that. I don't know what happened today. It looks like there are many people around today. There are many people that visited this park today. So it's pretty difficult to find a place to park. So I had to go into the inner street in order to find a spot to park. So I just parked my car and I'm trying to walk to the park. Like it's a bit far away from my car, like it's like 500 meters away from my car. So I'm just gonna take a walk to the park. Just before the park, there are many beautiful sceneries around. There are many children playgrounds. There are many other parks that are surrounding here. So there are a lot of families who come here after visiting the Riley Park. They also take some time to visit some other parks around. If you are planning in the future to study at the South Alberta Institute of Technology in Calgary here, then this park can just be a close proximity to you because it's just very close to the school. So this is one of the landmarks that made this institution a popular destination for many international students. I am now at the entrance to the park. You can see all the cars here belong to people that are already inside the park. So I'm just going to get in and show you around. Riley Park isn't just another patch of green. It's where families picnic, friends gather, the summer days comes alive. From the splash pool to the gorgeous flower gardens, this park has something for everyone. In this video, I will take you on a walk through its winding trails, show you the best photo shots, and give you a few local tips for making the most of your visit. That is, if you plan to visit here in the future. So this is the children playground where many children around Calgary come to have fun with their parents and other children. ahead of me are guys who have just completed their wedding and are having wedding shots. There are a lot of activities going on here. There are friends who are having their picnic here, and many other people who are having some fitness training, and guys who are playing many different kinds of games and sports. There is always something for everyone in the Riley Park. So sit back and enjoy the rest of this video. I will see you at the end of this tour.
Let me clean your nose. Let me clean your nose. Then you can go and play there.
west southern road, 1,000 miles away, saying you're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, I'm just having fun. On the stage in my heels, it's where I belong, down at the pink pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the pink pony club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the pink pony club. Pink pony club. Pink pony club. Pink pony club.
Guys, I've just completed my tour of this park, and if you have watched my video to this point, it means that you love the video and you love what I do. This is an opportunity for you to hit that subscription button, and as you do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make subsequent videos like this and many others, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Please support me by liking this video, comment and share, and I'll be very happy that you did. Thanks for watching this video to this point. Enjoy the rest of this video. I will see you in my next episode. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.